In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively navigate Google and Notion support services to enhance your productivity. So let's dive right in. To start, open your preferred web browser and head to the search bar. Here, type in Notion and hit enter. This will pull up a list of search results, and you're going to want to click on the first link, which should be Notion's official website. This step is crucial as it takes us straight to the source for a seamless login and access to their resources. Once you're on the Notion homepage, look for the Login button and go ahead and click it. This will bring you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. Logging into Notion is essential as it allows you to access your personal workspace and the various tools Notion offers. Next, from your workspace, you'll need to locate and click on Marketplace. The Marketplace is where Notion lists its various third-party tools and integrations. Exploring the Marketplace is invaluable. It exposes you to numerous templates and tools that can complement and enhance how you use Notion. In the search bar within the Marketplace, type Eisenhower Matrix. The Eisenhower Matrix is a popular productivity tool that helps users manage tasks by urgency and importance. It'll appear in the results following your search, so go ahead and click on it. This will bring you to a page specifically about the Eisenhower Matrix tool. After you've clicked on the Eisenhower Matrix, you'll see an Add button. Select this button to incorporate the Eisenhower Matrix into your Notion workspace. Integrating this into your setup provides a great way to prioritize tasks and can greatly assist in managing workflow efficiently. Back on your main page, find the newly added Eisenhower Matrix on the left-hand menu. Clicking on this will open it up, and from here, you're able to explore its functionalities. Now, to add a task, simply click on New Page. This will create a new entry within the matrix where you can begin entering your tasks. It's a straightforward way to start organizing your workload according to the Eisenhower method. Type in your task, remembering to highlight the key points. Highlighting is especially helpful in Notion, as it visually separates important tasks from the rest, making it easier to focus on what needs your immediate attention. After entering your tasks, take advantage of Notion's drag-and-drop feature to rearrange tasks based on your requirements. The flexibility Notion offers through this feature is excellent for a customized workspace tailored to your unique needs. Lastly, don't forget to set deadlines for your tasks. Deadlines are essential in keeping your projects on track and ensuring that nothing slips through the cracks. And there you have it. You've successfully accessed Notion's productivity tools with a few easy steps. With these tools, you can enhance your productivity, making task management a breeze. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.